everyone, just want to show you how I've done this simple pleat bun hairstyle. First, spray with some texture spray. Then from the right side to the left side, split that into half like this. Then tie it into a ponytail. Spray with some flexi hairspray and pinch and pull it out a bit just to give it a bit more volume to it. Then split the top bit into half. Then put the bottom bit section and we pull it through like into a loop like this. It's a bit fiddly because she has very thick hair. Then when we finish that, just spray with some wax spray. Then pinch and pull that out a little bit. Split the bottom section in half. Then onto the right section, split that into 3 sections. Then on the right section, bring that into the middle. On the left section, bring that into the middle. All the way down to the bottom like this. Then repeat the same thing on the left. Then on the right side, put that into a loop. Pick up the left side, pull that through into a loop, pin it away with some more bobby pin. Then on the right side, just bring the left section into it and then just pull it through like this. Pin it away nice and secure. Then just pleat that down at the bottom, tie it up. Then fan it out a little bit so it's a bit more bigger. Then fold that in half and then just tuck that under of the bun like this, and you use as much bobby pin as you need just to hold it nice and tight and secure. There we go. Spray with some hairspray. And if you like this hairstyle, this is the finished look. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I really appreciate you watching my videos and liking it. It really do help. Thank you ever so much. And please subscribe. Bye.